Hi, everybody. It's Elektra Yao, artist visa lawyer and entertainment lawyer. And today we're going to talk about trademarks again. I got a lot of requests about maybe like a short guide. So I'm going to give that to you today. I created it just for you guys. We're going to post it also on our Facebook law firm page. I'll try to post it on my personal page, but I put it together for you guys so that you can have a really short, easy, succinct guide should you choose to do this on your own. Again, I just want to thank everybody again. I was selected to Super Lawyers. I won an award my second year in a row. So I just want to thank everybody. My clients are the heartbeat of our firm, and I want to continue to provide excellent legal services for everyone who becomes a part of the Yao Law Group family. So I'm sorry I'm a little bit late. I had like a technical difficulties because I'm not like the best at sharing my screen. But what I'm going to do today in this video, I'm not going to read over the guide that I created. I'm going to show you the guide that I created. I'm going to leave the screen. I'm going to post this guide up, and then I'm going to talk you through the steps like really, really quickly. And then I'm going to post it up, like I said earlier, on the law firm webpage. So you can download it if you want, or if you don't find it on the Facebook law firm page, just email me and I'll send it to you. This is absolutely free of charge. I hope that it will be helpful while you guys develop your brand journey. So I'm going to share my screen right now. So you'll see that the first step is really identifying what type of mark. So we call it, in the real world, you call it trademarks, but we call it marks. So you just really need to identify what type of mark you're going to start to create an application for. Is it going to be a word? Is it going to be a string of words? So think of, maybe the name of a company like McDonald's, or think of their slogan, I'm loving it, or their word, Big Mac. Or is it going to be a symbol or a logo or a design? So maybe like the two golden arches, for example, or Nike swoosh. And the third one is a sound mark. So let's say, for example, do you guys remember when iPhones came out and had that their own little like jingle? Or maybe like you have a talk show and you want to trademark the sound, the intro sound of your talk show. This is the first step, the making your mark that I've called it, to identifying what it is exactly you are trademarking. So the second step is figuring out if somebody has already trademarked what you want to mark. So you've got to undergo a search. So I put the link for you. All you need to do is click that link and it'll take you directly to the Trademark Electronic Search System, or we call it TESS, and you can just plug in the terms or your description and see if it has already been taken. So at this point, let's say it hasn't been taken, you're gung-ho, you're ready. Now you really need to answer really critically these parts of the application, which is determining goods versus services. And a really good way of determining whether you are selling goods or services is to ask yourself, what are my clients buying from me? So, if you have an Etsy shop, then you're selling your products from your Etsy shop. If you're delivering professional services, like me, for example, a law firm, then I would be trademarking something for the services of my law firm, right? That's a really good way to understand whether or not you're delivering goods versus services, to ask yourself, what are my clients buying from me? Another thing that you need to identify, which is really important in your application, is whether or not the mark that you're trademarking is going to cause a likelihood of confusion. So I've actually given you the link. You can go and understand for yourself what the government is asking for when they're asking about the likelihood of confusion. Step number 6 is you need to identify what type of application. Is this an application just for an intent to use, or is this for something that is already in use? And based on the type of application it is, you're going to have to give different forms and different forms of evidence. But I've hyperlinked these forms for you so that you can go on the website and just double check what they're looking for. But you have to obviously support your assertions with evidence. Once you've gathered all of that information, then it's just a matter of submitting your application. I've given you the hyperlink here as well. You can go and you can click the link, fill out your application, and submit it, obviously with the relevant filing fees that can range from around $250 to $350. And then that's it. Voila. Once you've submitted it and you have gotten it approved, then you can begin to have the really interesting conversation about actually monetizing. So, this was, like I said, the short guide that I have created for you. We're going to post it on our website. I'm sorry that I'm late today, but I think that this is a really great starting point for you to begin your trademark journey. And I hope that this was helpful for you. And any additional questions, just let me know. Send me an email or publish a comment. But like I said, it's a really straightforward, quick resource that you can use to begin your trademark journey. So thank you so much, everybody. We will post it for you guys, and I will see you later today at 4 p.m. for creative career advice. See you later. Bye, everybody.